Hello and welcome to La Bourrienne, a beautiful region of southwest France, stretching from the western Lot into the neighbouring département of the Dordogne. My name is Simon Leighton Porter, and I'm one of the legate agents who make up the team covering the larger Quercy region, which includes the Bourrienne. Today, we're delighted to be able to show you this gorgeous country house set in a peaceful wooded landscape just outside the village of Cassagne. The property dates from the late 18th century. It's currently used as a gîte and chambre d'hôte business with accommodation for up to 24 guests. Alternatively, for those simply looking for a comfortable home with space to entertain friends and family, then this could be the perfect match. The main house offers around 380 square metres of living space, spread over 3 floors, and has 8 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a full-height living room with a wood-burning stove, and a library on the mezzanine level. Across the courtyard are 3 gîtes, all furnished to the highest standards, so let's take a closer look at them. Well, we've seen the gîtes, but there's yet more. Opposite the main house is a huge 2-storey barn, currently used as a wedding venue. There's also a games room with a floor space above. That as well is ready for conversion. Moving on to the area next to the swimming pool, we come to a dining area with a kitchen, cool room and covered terrace, with seating for over 14 people. And if you need a bit of exercise to work off the effects of that long lunch, next to the pool, just to my right, is an all-weather tennis court. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to find out more about this property or any of the others in my portfolio, please click on the link below. Thanks again, and goodbye.